What up, guys? Live eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're gonna go over 6 financial skills you need to know, guys. Very simple things that you need to know to help you along your financial journey, guys. Help you with your financial literacy and help you with your financial goals, right? Essentially, right? So these 6 simple skills are gonna help you out a lot, guys. So get right into it. At number 1, we gotta have budgeting. The best budget, actually the budget you can actually stick to. Just like a diet, the best diet is actually the diet you can stick to long term. It's not gonna be easy, but it shouldn't be super hard and stressful, pause, where you aren't able to stick to it. So you don't wanna be doing this budget one week, then next budget another month, and then so on and so forth. And essentially you aren't having accomplished anything, you haven't paid off any debt, you haven't built up any emergency fund, you don't have a fund. So you have nothing saved up, right? So find a budget that's practical to your monthly amount of money that you make, and let's apply that thing just like that. So number 1, budgeting. You should understand budgeting.
Number 2, we have debt management. Guys, you have to control your debt. You have to manage the debt you have. You cannot just keep sinking deeper and deeper into the hole. You have to use methods that we've described in immense detail in previous episodes. Definitely go check those out below. Click the links. We have plenty of videos on how to manage debt and how to get out of debt using the snowball and avalanche method, guys. You have to control debt. That is one of the biggest things ever if you want to be financially stable in this world.
At number 3, guys, saving and investing. You have to have a hard understanding of these things, right? Something simple from index funds, ETFs, and even like individual stocks, right? Just have a basic understanding of it. You don't have to be a guru at it, but just have knowledge, be knowledgeable. And as far as saving goes, it just ultimately all saving is you have that discipline not to frivolously spend your money, guys. So at number 3, saving and investing. So we're at the halfway mark right now, right? So remember, number 1, budgeting. Number 2, debt management. So if you got yourself a good budget, you're gonna be good at managing your debt. And then at number 3, saving and investing. And this all ties along, like we always do. Everything we do has a purpose here, right? Not just frivolously saying words. So at number 4, we're gonna have understanding taxes.
And guys, when you're understanding your taxes, you are reading through all of your W-2s, W-9s, whatever it may be. You are sitting down with a tax professional, understanding what is being allocated where, what has been taken out of your paycheck and what is withheld, where you can cut corners and actually get money back. Guys, you have to understand taxes in order to save and keep your money, because the government will take as much as they would like, and they would keep it all if they could. You have to do your best into educating yourself, sitting down with a professional, and understanding your taxes thoroughly.
And with that being said, guys, again, if it sounds too good to be true, these people promise you $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 returns on your money. You want to always cross-reference and double-check and see if that person is actually a certified tax professional, right? Always want to cross-reference, right? Don't get yourself caught up, like I always say on a CNBC special, talking about how you got scammed by this guy. At number 5, guys, we have financial planning, guys. You want to have to plan for the future financially, guys. And like we got plenty of videos talking about your number. What's your number? How much money do you want to have saved up? Do you want to have a big investment portfolio where you can actually make passive income anywhere from 8 to 10 to 12% and live off of that, right? You're not going to be young forever, so you want to have a financial plan in place, or at least start thinking about a financial plan, guys. Let's be responsible.
Lastly, we have financial discipline. Now, being disciplined means that you are going to have to say no from time to time,
No.
maybe many times. But saying no is not a bad thing. Saying no means you understand your finances. Saying no means that no one is in control of you. You are dictating your future, your life. You're not living to impress people. You live within your means. You understand who you are as a person, as an individual, how you operate. This is one of the biggest things that successful people have within them. This is one of the biggest things we want to teach you. Financial discipline. Be disciplined, be diligent, And then you're able to go travel the world. You're able to live adventurously and do all of the things that you love and enjoy and even more.
God, like simple formula, right? Discipline plus consistency equals you hitting your goals, right? Hitting your financial goals, hitting your personal goals, hitting your weight loss goals, whatever it may be. So you gotta have that discipline plus consistency, and then you'll be very happy with yourself, right? So end of the day, quick recap. Number one, budgeting, right? You want to budget. Number two, debt management. Let's get the debt under control. Over 55% of Americans are in debt. We already know this, right? Number three, saving and investing. You want to make sure you're saving and have a good investment portfolio, right? Just a little bit at a time, compound interest over time, and you'll be good to go. Number four, understanding taxes. I'm not saying you gotta be a tax wizard, but have an understanding of taxes. So when you do approach a tax professional, you can be able to articulate yourself and be less likely to get scammed or taken advantage of. Number five, financial planning. Financial planning, you want to plan for the future, so that way you be in a good position to retire at an early age or right at the age you feel comfortable at. And number six, financial discipline, which is not going to accomplish anything in life without discipline. So there you have it, guys. 6 financial skills you need to know and understand. Like, comment, subscribe below, and eventually, world's yours.